Amazing morning, everyone. Magpapakilala lang po ako. Ako po si Mentor Jocelyn Bernardo, Tubong Nueva Ecija. Nakilala ko po si IM noong December 2023 nung nagka-bronchitis virus po ako. Dahil po siguro bumaba ang immune system ko noong November na ginawa namin ang ika-10th year dinner dance anniversary ng Santa Rosa, Nueva Ecija, USA, where I lead a group with our main mission, College Scholarship Program. Isa po ako sa directors, kasama ko po sila Director Caroline Sapiandante and Director Evelyn Macapagal. Karamihan po ng leaders ng Amazing Barley na taga Santa Rosa like Ms. Normalin Hawk, Annalie Ismael, Christy Ponsal, Andrew Di Guzman, Marm Sapiandante, and Marie Bernardo ay mga kasama ko po sa SRNE Association USA, where we already help 100 college scholars funded for 4 to 5 years of college course, whom 50 of them graduated already. At dahil po magkakasama kami like a family, we are all together din sa IM business. My angel mentor, Caroline, gave me 2 boxes of barley nung hindi pa ako gumagaling. After a month of severe cough and colds, kahit na patuloy ang medicines na bigay ng doctor ko. After few sachets, these are my health condition, health improvements. First, it increased my immune system, gave me stronger energy the moment I had it. Then I noticed my constipation got healed too because I stopped my Docosate medicine for me to see if it will help me. And it did po. During my constipation, I had an on and off sharp pain on my lower abdomen that bothered me a lot. Reason why they had me did the 1-day surgery called endoscopy in year 2022. Though it was negative, but syempre with any pain, lagi tayong may worries. Why there's pain. But after a year of drinking Amazing Barley, ay nawala na din po yung pain. So basically, all because of constipation. And I heard from one of the top leaders too that constipation leads to cancer. Third, my dry watery eyes po ay nawala na din ngayon. Dati po kasi after pandemic, lumala po ang aking pagluluha na mahapdi siya na both eyes na hindi ko maindilat ang mga mata ko. Lalo na at super tight po siya due to my office job. And I needed to sleep in between my work so that pain will go away. Lahat po yata ng eye drops medicine from the doctor ay nagamit ko na. But nothing worked. Now, napansin ko na wala na po itong problema ko na to sa eyes ko. My on and off UTI, urinary tract infection is gone too. No more on and off antibiotic medicines. Plus, my urine retention ay wala na din. And also, my insomnia is gone. Dati po ay 2 a.m. na ako natutulog. Sometimes...
Put that napkin on the table. Put your napkin on the table.
But since umiinom ako ng Amazing Barley, ay 7 to 9 p.m. pa lang po ay inaantok na ako. So talagang amazing po ang ating barley. After few months of drinking 2 sachets of barley, my GERD or acid reflux, sour tummy, bloating, vomit feeling, heartburn pain became worse at lalong sumakit. Every day umiiyak ako sa sakit kahit may omeprazole or pantoprazole pa akong iniinom. Then, ang advice po ng Father Mentor Ed Lasdakan ay gawin kong 2 sachets sa umaga at 2 sachets sa gabi. For kahit na 3 days lang. Pag hindi ako gumaling in 3 days, I can do whatever I decide. Ayun po, nung naka 3 days na ang pag-inom ko, 4 sachets a day, ay parang magic na wala ang sakit. And last July of 2021, I had neck fusion surgery where They needed to implant 4 metals inside my neck to support my weak neck disc. It was the most painful surgery I had in my entire life. So I spent a year of recovery. 3 months na ay umiiyak pa ako sa pain, and I had 6 months of therapy. When my ortho doctor told me I need a back surgery also, because he said my back is the same situation as my neck, and it is connected to my problem sa neck ko. I prayed to the Lord to send me something that can help me heal this bone problem at hindi ko na kailanganin ang another surgery. So here I am now. That I know that prayer really works, because even God said in Exodus 15:26, I am the Lord your God who heals you. Listen well to the voice of the Lord and do what is right in his sight. Ito po kami magkakapatid, 3 po kami, lahat po kami naka-jade, including my nanay, Josefina Bernardo. Ito po ang pangalan ng ating company, I Am Worldwide. Ang ating pong company ay Home of Hope, meaning health, opportunity, prosperity for everyone. In life, we need to prioritize your health, number 1, and number 2 is to have a stable source of income. Sabi po ni Bill Gates, if your business is not in the internet, then your business will be out of business. There's two types of business in the world. One is traditional and the other one is non-traditional. Yung traditional po, may big capital, may rent, electricity, water, labor, or any miscellaneous. But sa non-traditional, wala po lahat yan. Ito po yung mga I Am Worldwide ambassadors. Sila din po ay famous celebrities of the Philippines and Korea. Nandyan po si Maritoni Fernandez, Piolo Pascual, Heart Evangelista, Alden Richard, Marian Rivera, G. Chang-wook, Andres Mulak, Tasha Mulak, Carlos Yulo, Small Lode, and Senator Robin Padilla. Ito po si Small Lode, the billionaire famous blogger and influencer, also drinking amazing barley and doing the business. Also, Marian Rivera, the famous celebrity and host, endorsing amazing barley too.
I Am Amazing Barley helps me take on the day with confidence. Made only from fresh and organic barley from Australia, packed with vitamins and minerals. So guys, experience how it feels like to be amazing. I Am Amazing Barley. Get na!
Ito naman po si past Vice President of the Philippines, Leni Robredo, is part of the company too. This is Mariel Rodriguez Padilla, wife of Senator Robin Padilla. Both of them are users and part of the company and doing the business. They sold 1,000 barley in just a week at their TikTok internet page and earned $500,000 in just a week. Now Mariel is a Ruby elite executive like me. This is Diamond Elite Executive Krisha Venancio, who's selling barley on TikTok. She earned as much as 14 million pesos because of barley, as fast-moving product. She is also a builder. These are our I Am Worldwide founders. Alan Marvin Eder as president, Aika Lorraine Uy as vice president. Both of them have more than 20 years of experience in multi-level marketing with all the knowledge and learnings. They started the company in 2017. They are pro distributors and God-fearing people. These are the awards that I am received for the past few years. Some of them were the Best Trusted Health and Beauty Supplement International Award, Most Live Awards, Most Sustainable and Livable Company, Philippine Top Choice Award 2017, People Choice Awards. Our company is the seventh Our company is on the 7th years and counting. We have all the legalities we need. We are registered at the BIR, Security Exchange Commission, Bureau of Trademarks, and FDA approved. This is our main office in the City Center Building, San Juan, Ortigas. This is where we can do pay-ins and reorders of the members, and we can bring our prospect to attend our training. We have 12 local offices: Bacolod, Baguio, Batangas, Bulacan, Cavite, Cebu, Pampanga, Davao, Dumaguete, Isabela, La Union, Naga, Tuguegarao, and Las Piñas. We also have 6 international offices: Dubai, Qatar, Kuwait, Italy, USA, and Japan. Ito po yung today's reality. So many people spend their health gaining wealth and then have to spend their wealth to regain health. Kasi po, nung teenagers tayo, we have a lot of time and health, but wala pa tayong pera. Nung nasa middle age tayo, wala na tayong time because of so much work, pero meron pa tayong health and money. Nung tumanda po tayo, marami tayong time. Pero pag hindi natin ilagaan ng ating health, ay mawawala din yung perang pinaghirapan natin dahil mauubos din natin sa pagpapagamot. So, ngayon pa lang, dapat gamitin na natin kung ano yung makaka-prevention is better than cure para sa atin. Ito po si Maritoni Fernandez. She was diagnosed with breast cancer on April 4, 2001 with only 5 years chance of survival. She discovered barley on the internet and took it along with her chemotherapy. Now she's on the 24th year and counting of survival. She had 15 nodes during that time. And most of the patients that with her before died already. So most of them, and siya lang nakaligtas. So nawalan din po siya ng buhok at pero na-survive niya because of her daughter Leslie. She wants to live more and longer. And this doctor, her oncologist, said that she will never have a child. But after 3 years of drinking barley, nagkaroon po siya ng menstruation at nagkaroon pa siya ng another son named Liam. Ito po siya. So let's watch the video where the barley comes from.
I am Maritoni Fernandez, and we are in the middle of a barley field here in Swan Hill, Australia.
Well, we think we have the best barley in the world because of our clean irrigation water. Water comes from the Murray River, which is a freshwater river. All our drinking water comes from the Murray River too. So it's full of nutrients, and also the climate is perfect for growing winter cereals. Clean, green, certified organic.
Yeah, we're certified with NASA, which which is one of the Australian certifications for organic. IAM Worldwide gets its barley grass powders from Herbal, which sources them from us at Nutrigreen, so you're guaranteed the best barley grass powders in the world.
I am truly proud to say that we are now the sole distributor in the Philippines for Nutrigreen barley. I am Maritoni.
Please watch this video testimonies.
Meron po akong PCOS for 10 years. So before po, irregular yung menstruation ko. And then na-discover ko po itong barley. After 2 months taking barley continuously, naging regular po yung menstruation ko. Thanks to this amazing product. And after that po, itong last April 2019, na-discover po namin na clear na po yung PCOS ko and I'm now 6 months pregnant.
Nagkaroon ako ng bacterial meningitis. Imagine, sa isang napaka-critical na sakit, pero luckily, sobrang thankful ako kay God kasi sobrang laking natulong sa akin ng barley kasi prior to that, nag-take na talaga ako ng barley.
Boost your energy and to detoxify and cleanse your body. You really have to experience it because it really works.
Nakakatulong po din po ang barley sa high blood pressure, goiter testimony, goiter case, kidney failure testimony. Meron din po tayong gallbladder stone na hindi na kailangang surgery para lumabas. Meron din po tayong ovarian cyst and polycystic ovaries. Meron din po tayong mga babies na nagkaroon ng karamdaman like leukemia and natulungan po sila ng barley. Also, this one had a leukemia case and natulungan siya ng barley. This is Mentor Naomi Manalansan, our top leader and our mother mentor. We are blessed that she is in our team. She is a great leader. Nagkaroon po siya ng endometriosis and appendix cancer with 23 bukol. Inalisan po siya ng 18-inch bituka. After spending million in the hospital, hindi po siya gumaling sa sakit niya. And she decided to take barley and thank God it helped her a lot. That's why she decided to share barley to all needy people. Nakakatulong din po ang barley sa PCOS na gustong magkaanak na nagkakaanak po sila. Ito rin po ay isang testimony from Kuwait, an OFW na nagkaroon ng brain cancer na napagaling ng barley. Ito po si Dr. Yoshihide Hagiwara, was a great renowned scientist and pharmacist, along with being the founder and owner of Japan's largest pharmaceutical company at that time. His research has shown that the green leaves of the embryonic barley plant contains the most prolific balanced supply of nutrients that exist on Earth in a single source. Kasi po merong 68 micronutrients found in our barley leaves. What are those? 17 types of minerals, 17 types of vitamins, 17 types of enzymes, and 17 types of amino acid. We are FDA approved, NASA certified organic, halal certified. Ang company ni Maritoni Fernandez na dinadala ang barley sa Herbal company. And our barley has 25,500 ORAC value. It is also mentioned in the Bible 37 times. Who are responsive to barley? Marami po sila, but some are anemia, arthritis, asthma, blood pressure, breast cancer, bronchitis, cancer, etc. Who can drink barley? Babies, kids, breastfeeding women, pregnant women, teenagers, adults, elderlies, and even pets. There are 4 stages of healing, of natural healing. First is cleansing. In this stage, your body is being cleansed, especially the digestive system, to prepare your body of easy absorption of vitamins and minerals. The second stage is detoxification. Your body is eliminating the toxins that has been built up in your body that causes different diseases and problems. The third stage is the nutrient assimilation. Your body is ready to absorb the nutrients, minerals, and vitamins, giving your immune system a boost. The fourth stage is the cell regeneration. The damaged cells are being repaired from free radicals to bring back to its normal system to prevent malfunction of the organs. We have 4 simple steps to earn. One is to avail our products. Kailangan bumili po tayo ng isang product and then use and share. Share it, and we need to use it because we are the testimony of our own product. The number 3 is we also have to share because at different social media platforms like Facebook, TikTok, etc. Number 3 is learn the business. And number 4 is earn. We have also 13 ways to earn. 1 is retailing, 2 is wholesale commission, 3 is sales match commission, 4 is infinity commission, number 5 is check match commission, number 6 unilevel commission, number 7 is residual sales match commission, number 8 is just for you, number 9 is give me 5, number 10 is unilevel leadership commission, number 11 is project 001, number 12 is car, house, and lot travel incentive. And number 13 is luxury incentives. Ito po yung iba-ibang products na nabanggit natin. Unang, ang Jade Package na mabibili po ng 198,800. Ito po ang pinakamagandang package para sa karamihan. Nandito po rin ako sa package na ito. Meron po siyang just for you bonus. Paano po ba yung just for you? Kung magustuhan niyo po yung Jade Package, halimbawa kayo yan, tapos nakakuha kayo ng 1, 2, 3, 4, ang bawat isa po na wholesale package commission is 20,000 pesos. Times 4 is 80,000. Dito rin po, meron din po tayong sales match commission. Sa left and right natin, ang makukuha natin ay 10,000. Tapos sa second left and right natin, makukuha natin 10,000. So, total of sales match commission of 20,000 pesos. So, total of 100,000 yan. Pero, sanabi ng company na pag binigyan mo ako ng 4 na Jade members under you, ay mabibigyan ka namin ng just for you bonus of 200,000 pesos. So a total of 300,000 pesos ang total commission mo. Ito naman po ay unlimited, kahit paulit-ulit nyo pang makuha yung 300,000 na tulad na nangyari sa package ko na nagkaroon po ako ng 1 million because of this. Two sets of Jade for Jade members. And also, no time frame po ito. Kahit kailan nyo gawin ay pwede. Ito naman po, kung hindi naman po nyo kaya ang Jade package, pwede naman din po kayong kumuha ng Platinum package na nagkakahalaga ng 112,000 pesos. Nabibigyan kayo ng 112 boxes of barley. Meron din po ito na just for you bonus. Ang example nito, kung magustuhan nyo ang Platinum package ay magkakaroon kayo ng 9,000 sa bawat isang referral nyo. So sa dalawa, sa tatlo, sa apat, ang wholesale package nyo ay total of 36,000. Ang wholesale package commission is 8,000 times 2 is 16,000, total of 52,000. And ang just for you bonus nyo ay bibigyan kayo ng company ng 100,000. So a total of 152,000 ang total commission nyo po dito. I forgot to say that the Jade package will receive 200 boxes of barley plus 50 boxes free. Yan lang po ang package, ang Jade package natin na merong free barley. Ito po ay unlimited din yung platinum natin at no time frame. Kami po ang tutulong sa inyo mag-explain sa mga referral nyo. Now, kung di naman po kaya ang platinum, meron din po tayong tinatawag na gold package na nagkakahalaga ng 44,800 na makakakuha kayo ng 45 boxes of barley. Meron din po itong just for you bonus. So, for instance, nakuha nyo yung gold package and then nakakuha kayo ng 4 na member na gold ang wholesale package commission nyo po ay 3,500 times 4 is 14,000. So ang sales match commission nyo naman po ay 3,000 times 2 is 6,000. So a total of 20,000. And the company will also give you just for you bonus of 40,000 pesos. Kaya ang total commission nyo po ay magiging 60,000 pesos. Ito rin po ay no unlimited and no time frame. Ito naman po yung tinatawag nating Give Me 5. Ay silver package lang po ang Give Me 5. Makukuha niyo po ang silver package ng 16,800 pesos at bibigyan po kayo ng 17 boxes of barley. Paano po ba ang Give Me 5 bonus? Pagka kinuha niyo po yung silver, meron po kayong 1,500 in every silver referral. So, kung makakakuha kayo ng 5, makakakuha po kayo ng 7,500 sa wholesale package commission. At sa sales match commission, ang bawat isang pair ay 1,000. So, that's 2,000 pesos. A total of 9,500. So, sabi ng company, bibigyan kita ng Give Me 5 bonus. At ang kanyang bonus ay 15,000. So, a total of 24,500 ang total commission mo sa silver na unlimited din and no time frame. Lahat po ng packages, tutulungan namin kayo mag-explain para po sa inyong member. Ito po ang difference ng 4 na package natin. Sa Jade po, pagka naka-4 na referral kayo, then just for you, meron kayong 300,000. Pagka naka-4 na platinum kayo, ay makakakuha kayo ng 152,000 pesos. Pagka naka-4 na gold kayo, ay makakakuha kayo ng 60,000 pesos. At pagka naka-5 silver kayo, makakakuha kayo ng 24,500. So, yan ang kagandahan ng Jade package kasi makukuha nyo lahat ang commission and bonuses na nakalaan para sa atin members. Ngayon, kung naka-platinum naman po kayo at nakakuha kayo ng 4 na Jade, ang makukuha nyo lamang po ay 152,000. dahil hindi po jade ang kinuha nyo at platinum ang kanyang package, ay hanggang 152,000 lang po. Pero pagka nakakuha kayo ng 4 na platinum, still 152,000 pesos ang makukuha nyo. Pag naka-gold kayo, ay makukuha nyo yung 60,000 pesos. At pagka naka-5 silver kayo, makukuha nyo yung 24,500. Kung kayo naman po ay naka-gold, ang makukuha nyo kahit na 4 na jade ang makuha nyo ay 60,000 pesos lang po. Dahil nandun po kayo sa gold package. And pag naka-4 na platinum kayo, ang makukuha nyo ay 60,000. 60,000 only. And then pag gold naman, makukuha nyo po yung package amount nyo na 60,000. Meron din po kayo makukuha na sa 5 silver, 24,500. Now, kung kayo ay naka-silver, yung 3 po ay wala kayong bonus doon. Ang makukuha nyo lang po ay ang 5 silver na 24,500. Lahat po ng ito, no, time frame and unlimited din. Ito po si Mother Mentor Jean Mantala. Nasa team din po namin siya at malaki na po yung nakuha niyang benefit sa company. Katulad po ng silver, naka 9 sets of silver na siya, which is 222,500. Naka 7 sets of gold na siya, 420,000 pesos. Naka 2 sets of platinum siya, 304,000 pesos. At naka 2 set of jade na siya, which is 600,000 pesos. So yung total just for you and give me 5 bonus niya ay 1,544,500. Ang alam ko po, hindi po ito updated. So, more pa po yung nakukuha niya ngayon. Ang ibig po sabihin nitong jade 1%, ay ito pong rebate 1%, ito po yung unilevel commission. Part po ng 13 ways to earn natin. For every product that your organization will reorder, you have 1% rebate. Ito po yung Project 001 where we can purchase 3,000 worth of products to qualify in our monthly draw. Ito, ang equivalent po nito ay 600 unilevel points of any product to be included in the raffle. Ito po yung mga nakukuha monthly na nananalo sa Project 001. I believe this is monthly winner. But dinodraw lang po natin ito every time na meron tayong big event. So merong more than 3 million in every month na nananalo. Yan po, kaya maganda. Makasali tayo sa Project 001 where we can order 6 boxes of barley every month. Reorder. Ito po yung mga travel incentive natin. Karamihan sa mga top leaders natin nakapunta na sa Holy Land, sa Dubai, sa Korea, sa Indonesia, sa Europe tour, sa Japan. Lahat naman po ay makukuha din natin. We are next. Why do we say, why start now? Because we have unlimited spillovers. Our company is one account policy. For instance po, ako ito, tapos nagpasok ako ng 2 member, tapos pumasok ka sa pangatlo, tapos nagpasok ulit ako ng 4. Kung nandun ka na po, makukuha mo yung mga spillovers from below the members below you. Pero kung hindi ka naman po papasok, mapupunta ka sa ilalim ng pang-apat. Hindi mo makukuha yung spillover. Kaya mas maganda na pumasok ka na ngayon para kuha mo na yung spillovers. Because ang spillover po natin ay ang Jade 5,000 points ang makukuha nyo, Platinum 4,000 points, Gold 1,500, Silver 500. Kaya kung pumasok yung, halimbawa pumasok yung nasa ilalim mo, Platinum 4,000, second is Gold 1,500, Jade is 5,000, and yung fourth is 5,000 din dahil nag-Jade sa'yo, kuha mo po lahat yon. Kasi po, ang sabi ng company, 1 point is 1 peso. Kaya ngayon pa lang, dapat pumasok na tayo para makuha natin lahat yung unlimited spillovers. Ito po si Uhuru Kenyatta, former President of Kenya. Sabi niya, if you really love your children, get a business, not a job. Because when you die, your children cannot inherit your job, but they can definitely inherit your business. Dito naman po yung favorite verse ng company at favorite verse ko din po. Ito rin po yung binigay kong favorite verse para sa college scholarship program namin sa SRNEA. And it says in Jeremiah 29:11, for I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope in a future. This is Jocelyn Bernardo. I am a distributor of IM and IM Worldwide. Thank you po.
Congratulations.